Hey guys, this is Camry. Do you need some motivation to either get started or keep going on your spring cleaning and decluttering tasks? Well, if you do, stick around and see how I tackle my master bedroom. Today I will be decluttering, cleaning, and organizing my bedroom. If you like videos like this one, hit that subscribe button below. And if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. To get rid of unwanted clutter, I have a bag for trash, a box for donations, a bag for things to go to storage, and my recycling bin. To get started in here, I'm going to pack up my fabric for storage. I mainly sew during the winter months, so I'm going to get all of this out of my bedroom. Cannot forget the fabric stuffing.
Your face in the crowd. I never thought that I would see you tonight with lock eyes.
This cube shelf has become a dumping ground for everything.
Back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was the bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
I have a lot of books to donate to my kids' teachers. I used to love receiving gently used books from parents when I was teaching. So if you have books that you no longer use, consider gifting them to a teacher. They'll love it.
Talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
Don't you just love the outfit Evelyn picked for herself today? I found these gray cube bins at Five Below. They are in packs of 2 and I bought 2 of them.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get
I only kept my favorite nail polishes.
you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty faces on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no.
I don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing, bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life.
If you would like to watch more videos in my spring cleaning series, I will link one up above and in the description box below.
Got me twisted, liquid got me distant. Don't you know? Well, you should know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life twist, just the high life, I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. Got no those who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be.
Here is pretty much everything that I took out of my bedroom, not including the trash and recycling. I want to give you a glimpse at the before pictures before I show you the results. After all of this, I am exhausted. It took me all day long. For those of you who have stayed until the end, I would like to thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos in this spring cleaning series. My next video will be part 1 of my spring cleaning my kitchen. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.